The day that I was waiting for so long. It's gonna be a game changer now. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here it is. Cammus lc100. Let's go, baby. I actually wanted new pedals for so long because the ones I have now, and I'm really excited for these pedals. Funny thing is, Cammus didn't even let me know that they're gonna send me them. No email, nothing, no agreements. So it's gonna be a honest review. So let's go home and check them out. Boom! Back at my crib. Let's do this unboxing. Well, let's see what's in the box. Hoping for pedals, but you never know. Why diff removed? What do I do? Hold up, I need some tools for this. Come on, bro. Oh my god. Why they make this so difficult? Boom, it's open. We have manual. Boom, don't need it. Boom, don't need it. Ooh. We have pedal number 1. Pedal. Looks like quality. Ooh. Feels nice as well. I'll admit that. Oh my god! You're joking! So, pedal number 1. Pedal number 2. Oh, we see different color spring. Wait, is that like a master cylinder or something? Is there oil inside? How cool is that? Wait, this is easy to push. I assume this is throttle. This has to be like a brake. Let's see if I'm smart enough. I'm the smartest. And this is clutch. Where's that manual? Manual! Boom! Don't need it. I might need the manual. Ooh, we have some small cables as well. Connected. Anything else? USB. Ooh, that's a cool adapter. Look at this. USB to Type-C. Interesting. Very cool. Never seen that before, actually. That's like Ethernet cable. And some bolts, of course. Alright. Ooh. And the big heavy plate. Oh. Okay, it's not that heavy. Anything else? No, that's it. Here we go. Happy days. Happy life. Now what? Maybe just... No. Ooh. There's something here. Emax 100 kg. So I assume if you weigh more than that, you're not allowed to use it. Yeah, only one says something. Interesting. Well, I guess I'll find the manual. Manual, come back! I need you! Okay, it makes sense. Only now I noticed that the throttle pedal is actually larger than the rest. Genius. It was just 2 bolts for each pedal. Let me show you. Just here. And you can adjust them to be closer and more far apart. This is exactly what I needed from pedals. Check this out. So you see this thingy? You can adjust it. It's basically dampening, whatever. One of them, 3. So what it does, look, I set it to 8 now. Check this out. I can't even press it. Now, we can adjust it. Let's go to 1. How cool is that? Bro, that's actually sick. I didn't even know any pedals can do that. Can all of the pedals do that? Like aftermarket pedals? That was 1. Let's try 4 or something. Nice. 5. I'll leave it at 4, I think. Or 3, maybe. Bro. Yeah, 3 will do for now. I can always adjust it. I'm so excited, I can't wait to test them. I think it's gonna be the biggest upgrade I ever had on my setup. I can't wait. Quality-wise, everything looks really decent. Besides the cables. Look at the cable quality. I mean... Bro. Is that like duct tape? I mean, that's if you are picky. That's how they look all plugged in. Just the Type-C cable here in the back. Somewhere. That's it. Let me just go put this on my sim rig and let's test it. A few days later, I have installed them on my rig. I mean, if it works, it works. There's just not enough holes on cammus plate and on GT Omega, so they don't line up. So I guess you need a drill. If you have any pedal mounting tips, let me know. Because I don't see any other option besides drilling. Sure, there's a better way than that. Let me know in the comments. Basically, I cannot press them comfortably with my heel resting on the plate because they're so high up. If you have small footsies, you're gonna struggle even more. Even though my footsies are not that big. So yeah, something to keep in mind. Because look at this. Interesting. You probably need shoes as well. Because these are not very kind to your footsies. They are very sharp. So if you're trying a heel toe and that stuff, definitely shoes. As for the pedals, the feeling is great. So yeah, $250. Nice upgrade. Yeah. What I would want more from them? is that they could be adjusted here. They look good. They feel good. Not too expensive. Installation 7 out of 10. Minus is lack of adjustment for pedal position. Lack of holes in the base plate for mounting. Is it an upgrade? 100%. Cammus is doing good job with new products. Let me know what you think about this. Suka. Let me know what you think about these pedals. Would you buy them? Do you have them? Do you like them? Do I like them?